Hi viewers, it's your host pharmacist Meherin. Today I discuss with you cough, dryness cough and chesty or mucus cough. Cough expel air from the lungs with a sudden sharp sound. Cough reflex, pulmonary irritant receptor in the epithelium of respiratory tract are sensitive to both mechanical and chemical stimuli. Cough causes. Virus and bacteria. Most common cause is a respiratory tract infection such as cold, flu, smoking, asthma, medicine, other conditions and self-treatment. Prevention of cough. Wash bed weekly in hot water. Try drink decaffeinated tea with honey before bed. Take herbal diet daily. Cover up mask. Hand wash with antibacterial soap. Take napkin and clean area where you're sitting. Cough is one of the health problem. When there is a blockage or irritant in your throat or upper air passage, your brain thinks a foreign element is present and tells your body to cough to remove that element. Cough can also be due to viral infection, common cold, flu, and smoking, or health problems such as asthma, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Some symptoms of cough are itchy throat, chest pain, and congestion. Home remedy of cough. Number 1. Turmeric. Heat 1 upon 2 cup water in a boiling pot. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon honey. You may also add cinnamon stick. Boil this for 2 to 3 minutes. Drink daily until the condition improves. It is very helpful. Number 2. Ginger. Cut fresh ginger into small slices and crush them slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring to a boil. Drink the herbal solution 3 to 4 times a day for relief. Number 3. Lemon. Combine 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 tablespoon honey. Heat until it warm. Drink this healthy syrup several times a day. Number 4. Garlic. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial activity components that helps to treat cough. Boil 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a cup of water and add a teaspoon of oregano. Allow to cool at room temperature. Add some honey, drink it. This will relieve you breathing, alleviate other cough symptoms. Number 4. Garlic. Eat a clove of crushed garlic mixed with a few drops of clove oil. Add honey for sore throat. Relief. Number 5. Honey. Honey is very useful. Take daily in diet. It is add with tulsi and ginger. This is very useful in daily diet. Number 5. Onion. One of the simplest home remedy. Cut onion. Breathing in strong vapors can help stop cough. You also make a cough syrup from baked onion. You also make juice of onion. Completely tea. Honey. Add honey. Drink daily to get relief from dry cough. Onion and honey, it is very useful for dry cough. So it takes 2 to 3 times a day. for relief dry cough. Now come to the point of medication. Question: what is the medication of cough, dry cough and mucus cough? There are some OTC cough medication, two types like antitussive and expectorants. In antitussive, dextromethorphan and expectorant have guaifenesin. Benadryl syrup, it is a brand of Benadryl. In this, guaifenesin and pseudoephedrine genetic. It is used for chesty cough and nasal congestion. Guys, hope you like my video. Thanks for listening me and viewing this